Pretty much.
Yeah.
Okay, so
We
yeah,
good, we
once we
good.
get in, come and find me. And
Sheesh. But
I don't know who's gonna have the spawn, so just stay where you are.
okay, okay. Oh, you can be cool about this too. I just realized you get two different perspectives now. That'd be sick. I'll probably do some stupid shit you can put in. I'm coming to find you.
Team deathmatch.
No, no, stay where you are, cause I
Right,
don't know
mate.
where it is.
It's on.
Alright, alright.
I have to find what it is first. I think it's over in your end.
Find out. Come find me.
Oh yeah, it's over on your end. So come over here, where you hear the gunshots.
Where are you?
Um, I'm right outside.
I'm fine. I guess.
You know
Oh,
where
wait,
the
I
bridge
heard
is?
you.
You know where the bridge is outside?
Yeah.
Go out there and come to like the palm tree little market. Hey, you see me? Behind you. I'm jumping. Turn around, turn
I
around.
know.
Over here. Come over here.
What's up, buddy?
Now jump
Woo!
up here.
Alright.
Jump down.
Oh,
I wanna
up
show
here.
you something. Now watch this, watch this, watch this. You ready? You see this chicken?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Missed. There we go.
Yeah, you can kill the chicken.
Just fucking blood spray. I was gonna cook it, bro.
Are there more
I should have
inside?
cooked it. I wanted to. Wait,
There
I
are more
want to cook the
inside.
chicken.
Can you
I'm gonna
kill
cook
these
it.
guys?
Hold on. Oh wait, it's this guy right here. Watch.
Yeah, cook them alive, cook them alive.
Oh what? It didn't die. What the? Oh yeah, it's
Chicken
this stuff
tender!
now.
Woo!
Let's go, chicken
Blank,
nugget. Chicken nugget. Oh, he's burning to a
Blank,
crisp. Oh, what?
blank.
Eat that. That was pretty good. They all dead yet? Wait for
Nope,
it.
we got one more. This guy.
Where's the survivor?
Uh,
Not the
can't
throwing
stab
knife.
him.
Hey, hold on. Back up, back. Oh, back up, back up. I'm gonna burn it.
I'm gonna get up eventually.
I burned it, kind of. It's a little crispy
Okay,
now.
here, I got him, I got him.
Little tender. Well, fucking shoot. Oh shit.
You killed me! Okay, see
Did
if
I
you
kill
can
it?
get him.
Oh, bro, it's still not dead. What the fuck?
Okay, we're not leaving
Die.
here until this chicken
Fucking
dies.
die. Fucking die, bro. Fucking die. It's not gonna. Bro, is this. Oh, I swear to God. Hold on. I'm murdered this thing. There we go. It's dead.
You got it,
Jesus
finally?
Christ. Finally. It's not.
I'm going over there to make sure that we actually get him out.
Damn, what the fuck is this gun?
Hey!
This is cursed.
Don't shoot
This
me.
is cursed,
Oh,
bro.
is that my gun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up? Ah!
That's a gift for shooting a grenade at me.
I thought I was gonna blow up the
Okay.
chicken.
Leave
Oh,
match.
watermelon.
Wait, there was a watermelon?
Yeah, I just destroyed it.
Here today.
I mean, hey, we killed the chickens.
That's perfect. All the chickens are dead. Mission complete.
And it's just like, hey there.
Mission complete.
Right,
Oh,
right in the dome.
right the dome.
Ah.
Chickens. Successful exfil. We killed all the chickens. All the chickens are dead. We got all the chicken nuggies. Chicken nuggies confirmed.
We got a squad of L-parties.
Oh god.
Ah. That was
About to
great.
kill those chickens again.
Oh my god. So,
Okay, now.
last time we talked, I started to play a couple of, games of, what's it called? Search and Destroy?
Search and destroy? Okay, okay.
Give me a minute. Kill confirmed. My playlist got fucked up again. Grind, yes. No. Yep, we're all good. So, last time we spoke, I played a game of, what was it called? Search and Destroy?
Alright,
People are gonna figure out real quickly not to mess with me. Don't I know what happened?
Oh, I'm so scared. Yeah.
So I come up and search and destroy the last guy on my team. And so all of
Bro.
a sudden it's a 1v1. I come up around the corner, I find this guy, kill him. The fucker had my stand on. So you wanna know what I did?
Did you fucking execute him or some shit?
Search and destroy.
That's right in his face.
Yes.
You teabagged him.
No, I didn't teabag him. I executed him in the
That's
most
great.
disrespectful way possible. Okay, so what are
Oh,
my
that's perfect.
what are my
I
count
wish there
numbers
was a
on this?
teabag execution. That'd be amazing. Imagine you're just around their
Crouch
head and
kills.
you just can like teabag and just crush their head. I
Crouch
want that so bad.
kills. I need crouch kills. Fuck.
Crouch kill would be amazing.
With an M16.
You know what? You just go on top of them. Like literally climb on top of them if you down them. Like teabag them and shoot them at the same time.
No, I have to. I'm just going to crouch walk the entire map.
Alright. I'm
I
gonna
wanna get this
snipe
M16
and
done.
fail hard right
I want
now.
to get this M16 done.
I'm gonna fail so hard on this snipe right here.
Because here's the thing,
I'll
I
try
try
it.
to do some camera guard myself.
Defend the objective.
If you're crouched and mounted, it doesn't count. Oh shit.
Oh,
it's
shit,
search and
really?
destroy.
Where's this motherfucker?
Okay, there's a guy coming up to you.
Yeah. I shot him though, I think. I'll have to look there. Video.
I got him for you.
Oh, I didn't see what game mode it was.
Ah shit, it's a 1v4.
Oh shit! Ah, survive!
I'll
Survive!
try. I'll try.
That's a 1v3.
Hey, planted alpha, great.
I'm scared they're like right there. Hold on, I'm watching your screen. Make sure there's someone beside you.
Dun, dun, dun.
Right there.
Dun, dun, dun,
Yeah, 1v2.
dun, dun, dun.
Oh, 1v1.
Standing by.
Where's the last guy?
I don't know.
Copy that.
Ah, he's
UAV is
gonna
on
be
station.
right here.
Throw something.
No, I
no,
choked.
no.
That round,
I
get
should have
ready for
mounted.
the
I
next
should have mounted.
Shit. Dude, so close, bro. How many kills did you just get?
Me? I got 4
Yeah,
kills.
he's waiting. Damn, he's waiting.
Yeah. And I had the UAV on too. I fucked that up.
Search and destroy.
Shit.
I mean, I kind
Alright, I
can
did not
kind
realize
of,
it was search and
I have
destroy.
like kind of a reason to do it because I have the M16.
Alright. Ah! I'm already dead. I already died! No!
You did?
Yes! I got sniped in the face!
Oh, that sucks. I am watching this door.
I'm watching you now.
They're going for A. Fuck.
Holy shit, bro. Look how everyone's just dropping. We all suck.
Oh, nope, that was not movement.
Where you go?
Oh shit!
You
Oh
got
my
him, you
God,
got
I
him,
survived
got him.
that. How did I survive that?
Oh shit, that someone didn't survive that.
Down to you. Finish the mission.
Come on, can we pull a last game? Take out 3? See what fucking
No, I'm gonna
happens.
try. Trigger
Oh.
discipline.
Bajnia, Bajnia. Enemy dropping Alpha.
Oh yeah, right up the asshole. Let's go. Some behind him, I think. Ooh, you knew he'd be good though. Get like a clay barrel. Oh. Shit.
I was outnumbered.
Focus on the next
I was
one.
Damn.
outnumbered. Damn it. Ah.
Man, I just realized a claymore would be great on this. Just put it on every entrance.
Damn it.
Shite.
I'm not the best at search and destroy, but I'm.
Shite. Oh, I'm fucking
try.
awful at it.
I try.
Brother one.
I'm actually just shit at search and destroy. I know I'm not gonna be good.
Oh my god. How are they already here?
I don't know. Just stand right there. Be careful.
Oh, God.
Hey, I have a stimix on me, so if they kill me,
Shit.
I'm taking them with me.
Well, we do have guys in our
Moving.
quarter already. Oh, I just domed him.
I'm staying by this door, just in case they come through and shotgun right in the face. Oh shit.
The dude has fucking overkill on. What a fucking bitch. Next player, are you still alive?
Yeah, I'm still alive.
Are you using a sniper?
No shotgun. I wanna
Okay.
get someone right at this door, bro.
Enemy planted at Alpha.
Come on. There we go. Oh, you're using a
Fine.
shotgun with a sniper scope. Why?
I told you this is my
Bro,
curse
it's a 2v3.
loadout.
Go out there. Go out there. Go out there. Just rush it. Rush it. Hard rush it.
I'm Russia.
Last one behind
He's
there.
one behind here. I know he's behind there. Actually.
Defuse the bomb. Defuse the bomb.
He's dead. Oh shit. Where is he?
Your
Just
teammate
not let me
has
do it.
Let's
What the fuck?
go.
Let's go, let's go.
You got it.
Yeah!
Let's go.
We got one.
And you got the
Finally.
last kills.
I thought he was still back there. Right in the ass. Oh no, it wasn't the ass.
Dude, you
Thought it
blew
was.
us back out.
For real.
Oh, now we're the
Damn.
defenders. Oh no,
He-
we're
he did not
we're
fucking
the
survive that
attackers,
shit.
then. Okay, follow
You
me.
know, I'm switching to shotgun. Alright.
Eat his
Here, I'm
Swedish.
watching your back. Yes, sir.
Oh, I hit something. Oh my god, they're all over here.
Where is he? Come on, I'm rushing him. Ah! No, I'm not.
That was not a good idea. Oh god, dude, I'm shaking right now because I don't know where he is. I know he's over there.
Oh,
my
oh
god.
wow. Wait, what if this
Okay.
guy has like multiple people? Where's the guy beside you?
Yeah, he's our teammate.
Alright, here, I'm on here again. Let's see.
We are planting at Alpha.
That is good for you with the
Ultras are devices.
Okay. Oh, wait, was that? I think that was one right there. Why is that there? Wait, something's.
That's one.
Yeah.
What one?
Oh,
my
shit. Bro, they're right there.
Come on, buddy. You can do this.
Damn.
You can do this. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Alright.
Win again.
I finally tied it up.
I mean,
Thank God.
I'm not doing
Thank God,
too
bro.
bad. I'm 10 and 4 in
Yeah.
top 15.
Ah,
Oh, with the Bass P?
damn. Alright.
Destroy.
I'm gonna have to do the Bass P next.
Actually, no, let's full. Let's do this.
Dude,
Let's
half
do
the
this.
map, the map isn't. Oh, right there. Though. I was about to say the map isn't
We
spawning
have
for
the
me.
device.
Oh, shit. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you
Well.
you gotta watch out for that. They
This is why
love-
shit is search and destroy, bro.
Friendly cruise missile deployed.
Oh,
Oh, wow. Someone got stabbed into the face right there. Okay.
run for it.
Run.
Okay, so 4v3. I feel a little bit better about this.
It's up. Oh, there. Oh, shit. Rose?
Give me those toes.
Hey, let's go! Give me those
Took the
toes,
man's
bro.
toes.
Give me them toes.
Took his toes.
He's hiding behind the truck.
Give me those tootsies.
Damn. Wasn't dying to your toes, bro. I mean, actually, imagine just running and dying, like me. That's actually probably more embarrassing.
Yeah, never
Here, you
do
know
that.
what?
Target to win.
I'm still staying here. I'm gonna still stay by this couch, actually.
Use the bomb.
Oh, shit, the
Cross
two died
map.
already.
Cross map. That was because of me. And I did also play it too. Oh shit.
Oh, shit, someone's in the window.
Oh,
Oh, I got someone, I got someone.
we got a guy pro.
Let's go, let's go.
You know that little
I got
corner
sniped the guy in the
where they,
window.
like- we just got
Oh,
a guy
wait,
pro. He's right by the.
It definitely is.
I don't know where it is. I know where it is. I just don't know how to describe it.
I'm looking, I'm looking.
Nope, it's not up
I'm
there.
checking this house. It's not in here.
Nope, no,
Okay.
it's not up there. So go out.
Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm gonna guide you. Turn left once you're out.
Just making sure he's not there.
No, he's not. He's camping. He's
60
hard camping.
seconds
Go,
left.
go, go.
Okay.
You have to go for it. You have to go for him. Nope, I'll tell you where. Keep going straight.
Okay, going straight over here.
You see that little watchtower? He's behind
Yeah.
there.
Okay,
He's
okay.
prone.
I'm trying to make sure there's no one else around here.
Nope, he's not. Don't go into the front. Go into the back. Back, 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 back.
Back, which way? For straight ahead?
Left, left, left. Go in through there.
Okay.
Go. Just run, 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 run. Hit.
There we go.
Teabag him, teabag
How
him.
did I miss that?
30 seconds remain.
Teammate's definitely back
They're
there.
just staying there.
Oh fuck!
Oh, come
Damn it,
on.
I missed it, bro.
Get ready for
I'm shit. I told you I'm shit, bro. I'm shit.
You killed the camper.
Let's
That's all that
go.
matters. You should have teabagged him.
Yeah, I should. That would been great. Also, it's just my EBR. I don't know why I did that.
Don't run a sniper and don't run a
Search and
shotgun.
destroy.
Don't run anything first.
I forgot to use switchback. I was just a regular M4.
Oh my god, they're all there. They're all there.
Yeah, I see one up here.
Stay alive. Please.
I'm trying. Oh, wait, I see where one is. Oh,
Are you still alive?
yeah, I got one guy.
Come
Because
on,
I'm not
switch.
using a cursed
Switch.
loadout for once.
Switch. Come on. Come on.
We planted it.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Like it. Yeah, I'm the one that fucking running a sniper. That was pretty stupid, bro.
Yeah, don't run a
I'm just a
sniper.
dumbass.
Okay, they're gonna for
Real
sure.
low.
They're 100% going over this way. Towards B. Oh shit.
Oh, I'm right behind you, actually. Wait, there's some guy up there.
Up here.
I could probably get him. No, up on this crate up here where I am.
I got him.
He was.
I got him. He's dead.
Okay, cool.
They're going for A.
Alright,
They are 100% going for A.
I want to go
Oh,
around.
yep. They're going for A.
Cool. I'm going around.
Yep, they were going for A. They're hard camping it. Wait, how did I die to a grenade?
I want to see if I can see him around here without dying.
How did I die to a grenade? I have a pump squad.
Wait. Hold on.
There-
Oh, wait,
this
I see one.
Trigger discipline. Good.
Got one.
Nice.
See one anywhere?
Up the ladder.
I'm gonna go up here.
Watch your back. He's behind you.
Oh.
He's gonna be in there somewhere.
Friendly bomb drone active.
Behind you.
Friendly bomb drone.
Oh wait, no, he's in the building. Never mind. Just go by A. Don't crouch. You just have to rush this.
Where's one guy prone?
You just have to go to A. Go to A. You have to go.
I'm trying to go there.
We're not
Yeah, I was trying to see if I could see him. Oh, wait.
And the bomb's gonna go off. We don't have time.
Oh, he's... Gotta hear it. No!
The round is lost.
Whenever
Focus on
there's
the
like
next
10
one.
seconds left, even if you, not even 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you just have to rush for it and just try it.
Alright.
Search and destroy.
They're gonna go for A
Round
again.
1, set security on the objective.
Or I'll just stay right here.
Oh my god,
No,
they keep
oh,
grenading me.
Where are they?
They
I'm
just
gonna
keep
run the
throwing
back.
grenades. They killed like half our team already.
I'm around the back, so I'm gonna see if I can just pop one off.
And one of our teammates is
Wait,
AFK.
maybe. Of course they were.
Come on,
Enemy
give me
bomb
your
at
kill.
Bravo.
Are you still alive?
Yeah, they actually went to B. Shit.
How
I
many are
saw a
left?
guy up there.
There we go.
2.
Two? Okay, just
Two,
go, just go B, go B.
2v3.
Oh wait, there's 3 still alive?
Yeah.
No,
Oh
no,
fuck,
sorry.
I'm the only players.
Go, crate, go with the crate!
I'm trying. Oh shit! There's no way.
We lost that round. Get
You have to think
No way I'm
strategically.
taking all of them out,
you
bro.
have to
There's
think
no way.
strategically.
There's no way I was gonna take all of them out in time.
You could have easily taken them all out if you would have gone up.
Switching sides.
Nah, I'm ass, bro. I couldn't do it.
You could have
Search and
easily.
destroy.
They would have been caught off guard.
All Strasser, plant a charge on the target and destroy it.
I think I just need to play more Search and Destroy, bro. This is like the second
got two
time.
other
This is literally the
players.
second time I've ever played it, I think. I think I've literally only played one other game.
Friendly bomb drone is online. Planting bomb at Alpha.
Oh my god, they're behind me.
Device in place. Countdown started.
Okay.
Play it
I
smart.
got one guy over
So
here.
the bomb is at A, I think. Oh, never mind.
No.
Won that
Match
round.
point.
Get ready
Match
for
point.
the next
Come
one.
on. We got this.
You
We
won,
got
but
this.
yeah, I died. I was in a firefight.
Oh, shot him in the toe. Okay, we have to
Oh.
win this.
Nice, nice.
Search
Dude,
and
I'm
destroy.
still top of the team. 16 kills and 9 deaths.
All Strasser. Detonate the target to win.
Okay.
Start your offensive.
No, don't.
I'm just gonna follow you
They're
and
gonna
try to
bomb.
help you.
They're bombing me. They're bombing me. That's why.
Okay, I'm not. Okay.
Okay, now you can come up. Just be careful, because they're flashing me. Okay, yep, they're on me. They're on me.
Check
They're
I'm
on
in
me.
a bad
Just
spot
one.
actually.
Yep. I think it.
Just one.
Bomb secure.
Wait, I hear him.
Bomb secure.
Half our team is using Tax 56. That's
Okay.
our player. That's
Just
our
one guy
player.
in here.
Just make sure you always watch
I
him.
know. Oh shit.
Okay, just hide. Just hide.
Just one guy
You
left.
can't risk this. Hide in like a corner. Yeah,
trying
hide
to.
behind
Setting
there.
device on Alpha.
And go
Stand
back
by.
here
Go
again.
prone,
1 minute
right next to the body.
remaining.
There, right there.
Bomb
No, don't
planted.
move, don't move,
Set
don't
the
move.
perimeter.
Listen for footsteps.
Try not
No,
to.
no, no, don't stop. Move to the left a little bit. No, just view to the left, view to the left. No, view to the left, and don't move right there.
Oh yeah.
Yes!
Oh.
Nice.
Mission is complete.
Let's go.
Good work.
Once we get back to
Cool,
the
cool,
lobby,
cool,
we can stop recording.
Yeah. I recovered it. Alright.
That's why
I see
you
the
just
guy
gotta
over
watch
there.
that area.
Sheesh.
Aw, 17 and 10.
Yeah, just under the table.
That's pretty good. I'm better at TDM than I thought.
Damn.
I know TDM, SND.
Yeah, that's not bad, bro.